There are some great features in Microsoft Outlook that'll help you become more productive. Here's our first tip: how to create a new Outlook item using copy and paste. Did you know Outlook will automatically create a new message, appointment, task, or a note based on what you have copied to the clipboard? Let's try this unknown tip and see how it works. First, I'm going to open up my website and copy some information from my blog. To do this, I'm simply going to right-click and choose Copy. Now I'm going to go back to Microsoft Outlook. If you notice, the inbox is open. Since the inbox is a mail folder, as long as I just press Control-V, which is the shortcut for paste, it automatically creates a new mail message and includes my information. Here's tip 2, using the Insert key to flag messages. One of the great features when you're working with mail in Outlook is to use the flag. That way it'll automatically take that message and add it to your to-do list. In order to flag a message quickly, the first thing I'm going to do is use my Control key to select everything that's important to me in my inbox. By holding down the Control key and clicking, it just selected several messages. Next, I'm going to hit the Insert key on the keyboard. As soon as you hit the Insert key, it automatically flags those messages as important. That way I can come back later and find them on my to-do list. Tip 3, using the search folders. One of the hardest things with Outlook is keeping control of your inbox. You get so many messages throughout the day, sometimes it's hard to find the items that you've read and the items that you haven't. That's where your search folders come in handy. Over on the left side of the screen is your navigation folder bar. I'm going to click on Search Folders and expand the list. By default, Microsoft always includes an unread mail search folder. Let's click on it. Now it's automatically filtered our information, so I only see the mail that I haven't read. Tip number 4 allows us to create new search folders to find important messages. We've already gone over a quick way to flag messages for follow-up. One way we might want to organize our information is to create a search folder that only finds our follow-up messages. Let's create a new search folder. To do this, let's right-click on the search folders in the navigation bar and choose New Search Folder. This great tool comes up that shows you the most important things people usually want in a search folder, which is a great tool for filtering information. I'm going to choose Mail Flagged for Follow-Up. Once I select that, I'm going to simply click OK, and a new folder appears in the search folder list. At any point, when I click on For Follow-Up, it'll automatically filter my information to just my follow-up messages. Our last tip is a feature that Outlook's had for years and years, but it's simply something people don't know. We're going to convert an email message to a task or appointment with a simple drag and drop. Let's select an email that deals with updating Project 511. This is something I really need to take care of, and I have to block out a part of my day in order to get it done. So I'm going to make it an appointment. To do this, I simply click and drag and drop it on top of the calendar folder. When I let go, it creates an appointment. All I have to do now is change the dates and times. I could have done the same thing by making it a task by simply clicking and dragging it to the task folder also. Let's save and close and take care of our appointment.